Meaning of flashbulb.
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 Flashbulb. The term flashbulb refers to a sudden and vivid memory of a significant event. These memories are often highly detailed, emotionally charged, and long-lasting. They are called flashbulb memories because they are thought to be similar to a photograph taken with a flashbulb, capturing a moment in time with great clarity. When a person experiences a flashbulb memory, they are typically able to recall specific details of the event, such as what they were doing when they heard the news or who they were with at the time.